Hi there, I am Ismail from Parliament. With the rise of AI-powered search tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, visibility is no longer just about ranking number one on a search engine. Now the real question is, why do some websites get cited in AI-generated answers while others don't? Unlike traditional SEO, where ranking position is everything, AI systems select and synthesize information from multiple sources. In this lesson, we'll break down how AI decides which sources to use and what that means for your content. Traditional search engines rank pages, showing a list of results. Work differently. Instead of just a ranking, they retrieve information from relevant sources, extract key information, and combine it into a single answer. This means that your goal is no longer just to rank, it's to be selected as a source. AI systems prioritize content that directly answers the user's question. If your content clearly addresses a specific issue, avoids similar phrasing, avoids unnecessary fluff, it becomes easier for AI to extract and use. Pages that are vague or indirect are less likely to be selected, even if they rank well in traditional search. AI doesn't read content the way humans do, it extracts pieces of it. So the question becomes, how easy is it to pull a clean answer from your page? And the answer is simple. Content that is well structured, clearly written, and broken into logical section is much more likely to be used than content that isn't. Messy, dense, or overly complex writing makes extraction harder. Even though AI systems work differently, they still rely on signals of trust. Content is more likely to be selected if it comes from A. Credible sources, sites with consistent information, and domains that are referenced across the web. Authority is still important, but it's not just about backlinks anymore. So, um, if AI systems compare multiple sources before generating an answer, if your content aligns with what other credible sources are saying, it strengthens its reliability. But if your content contradicts the widely accepted information or presents unclear claims, it may be ignored. Consistency across the web plays a big role. For topics that change frequently, AI systems may prioritize more recent or updated content. If your page is outdated or no longer accurate, it becomes less likely to be selected. However, for stable topics, freshness matters less than clarity and accuracy. Formatting plays a bigger role in AI SEO than many people expect. Structured formats like definitions, lists, step by step explanations make it easier for AI systems to extract usable content. Think of it this way: the easier your content is to lift, the more likely it is to be used. To summarize, AI search engines don't just rank pages, they select and combine information. To be chosen as a source, your content needs to be directly relevant, clearly structured, easy to extract, consistent with trusted information. The goal is no longer just visibility, it's being part of the answer itself. If you found this content useful, please make sure to like, comment, and share. And this season, we will be doing an all AI content. So please stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.